my god. Oh. Stress is real, dude.
I got nervous.
Nervous. Oh.
So much fun.
Locals only. Oh, he's telling him to leave. No, he's telling him to go.
Party wave.
Oh shoot, party wave? Oh. Oh wait, what? What? Oh. Skill, dude.
I got a little piece of it.
Got a little scary. Unridden waves. Sad sighting. Wait a second. Oh. Whoa. Robot wars. Full robot wars. That one's gonna hurt you.
Yeah.
That one's gonna hurt you.
It's not turning as well anymore. I don't really know why, but we just dry docked him.
Dry docked.
Where are all the lifeguards? That little guy's gonna get me.
You got dry docked. What happened there?
I don't know. He ran out of battery. Ran out of juice.
Starts to see me.
Not your best performance.
Hey, you know what? Sometimes these little guys rip, and other times they're a little not so hot to trot. We did okay out there. I think we left the battery sitting in there for too long, and he was a little low power, a little low energy today. It's okay. We got one more battery.
Did you wax him up?
Yeah, he's waxed and ready, dude. Look at him.
Freshly waxed.
This guy's seen it all. He's got a hole in his butt. We've had some problems there.
I don't think we can show that.
Blur that out.
Blur that out.
I can see water trying to come out of it right now. Oh man, this guy's, yeah.
He's leaking.
He's got some problems. I hope he still runs after that session. Leaker.
Oh, he's leaking.
Oh, that's from inside the thing too. That's not a good sign.
I think he just got so barreled that...
Yeah.
It is inevitable.
Inevitable when you're getting that tubed. You know what? It actually looks pretty dry in there. We might still be okay. We got LiPo battery. That's the secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
All this is all fully waterproof. And oh, the motor's hot.
Motor's hot.
Motor's been running.
Would you consider yourself a mechanic or an engineer?
I'm an electrician, an RC surfer.
Nice.
Cut back Chris. He's our RC mechanic. Almost full-time employee now.
Are you playing games back here?
Cooking.
He's cooking. Bro's cooking.
Bro is cooking hard.
Back at it. Oh, floater. Surfer! Oh! Oh no. Break the arm, walk away. No! No! You're gonna be okay, man. Dude, the one-armed man's gonna rip. Oh man, he's back. Oh wow, here we go. Whoa! Oh man. Oh man. Oh, float over him? Oh my god! Wow! That was amazing! Dude, that was kind of gnarly.
That's critical. If I fell down through the lip on his head, we would have had a problem.
Wow. Oh, RC Surfer said no. Oh no! Party wave! Dude. Oh my, twice! Oh my gosh, all the robots. It's so quiet right now. Quiet on the set. It's so quiet. They just want to see him perform. Oh, drone. Where's RC Surfer? Whoa! Slid that. Slid it real good. Here comes the robot. Get it in there. Oh yeah. Oh, what? Dylan, you're about to get snaked. Oh, you didn't this time. Yeah! Whoa! Oh, jeez! Oh, no! Blair, you're getting dangerous, dude. You all right, dude?
I feel so bad. I destroyed that little dude.
Oh! Oh my.
Oh my gosh. That was insane.
Dude, you hit the air section!
That would have been the best air I ever landed on.
Yeah, you hit the air section.
Guy's malfunctioning. He's dead.
More waves for everyone if I'm not out there skimboarding. Man, he died like right as I was bringing him back.
How did you come up with this freaking idea?
I think it wasn't me. Some remote control company made it.
Oh yeah. Sweet.
It's just a contraption. How's that last air?
Oh!
That was career.
It like
This is an English channel.
moment of truth. Oh yeah, that's a problem.
It's a lot of sauce in there.
That's not good.
Put it to dry.
Hopefully it'll start up. Wet battery is not a good thing.
Donka.
It's dead. We did it. We got some RC clips, huh?
Oh yeah.
Career. First RC to probably ever ride in Germany, maybe.
That was your best RC session, I think.
Yeah, we got a lot of good waves.